In this video, I'll show you how to connect V0 to GitHub. First, open your web browser, go to the V0 website, and sign into your account. Then open the project you want to connect to GitHub. Next, click the GitHub button or open the Settings or Integrations section, depending on your version of V0. If this is your first time connecting GitHub, choose Connect GitHub and follow the authorization process. Now, you'll be redirected to GitHub. Sign in if prompted, then authorize V0 to access your GitHub account. You may be asked to grant access to all repositories or only selected repositories. Choose the option that best fits your workflow and complete the authorization. After that, return to V0 and select the GitHub repository you want to connect to your project. If you don't already have a repository, create a new one from V0 if the option is available, or create one on GitHub and then select it. Finally, confirm the connection and wait for the synchronization to finish. Once the project has been connected, you can sync your changes with GitHub, collaborate with your team, and keep your project under version control. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect V0 to GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.